Hey guys, my name is Austin Gregory, and in this course we're going to learn Unity from scratch. The goals of this course are going to be to learn Unity's tools and interfaces, learn how to manipulate objects with transformations like moving them, scaling them, rotating them. We're going to learn how to snap them together using vertex and surface snapping. We're going to learn how to create materials to apply colors and textures and shaders to objects. We're going to learn the very basics of programming, the concepts of programming. Then we're going to take that knowledge and learn some object-oriented programming, just the basics though, just to get the idea of what it is. We're going to talk about some vectors. We got a lot more as well, but that's just the gist of it. And it's completely for beginners, no experience required, don't have to know anything about Unity. We're even going to walk through installing the editor and Unity Hub and all that. That's coming up in this course, guys. My name is Austin, and I will see you in the first lesson.